Welcome back to Gurudeva online classes. In last class, you have learnt about what is an organ, what is organ system, and you have learnt about the sense organs and their function. Okay, in this class, we are going to learn about the systems of the human body. Okay, so now systems of the human body. Already you know that in our body there are many organs, each organ doing their specific function or their own function. Here, heart. What is the function of the heart? Beating, and it sends blood to overall the body. Okay. See, lungs. Their function is breathing. Like this, in our body, each organ perform their own function. Now we are going to learn once again what is the meaning of organ system or system. System, a group of organs that work together is called system. See, in a system, some organs includes and they perform work. See example in the respiratory system. In respiratory system includes lungs, nose, and trachea. Okay. See, in this way, system is work. So they told in the definition a group of organs that work together. So here in a system many organs are included and they perform work. Okay, dear children, now we are going to learn different system in our body. There are many systems in our body. Example, skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, digestive system, reproductive system, circulatory system. Okay, many are there. Now we are going to learn one by one. See here, first one is skeletal system. Here, what is the meaning of skeletal? Here, skeletal, it means it made up of bones. Okay, here skeletal system means framework of bones, that is we called skeletal system. See here, framework of bones is called skeletal system. Dear children, all of you observe a picture on the board, skeletal system of human body. Here that is made up of only bones. In the skeletal system, we are seeing the different sides of the bones and different length of the bones. We are seeing the many joints. Totally, here all the bones are we called skeletal system. Okay, see here. Actually, the skeletal system is made up of 206 bones. Dear children, tell me how many bones skeletal system made up of 206 bones. In adults, we are seeing the 206 bones. In newborn baby, how many bones? 305 bones. Why? In adults, we are seeing only 206 bones. In newborn baby, we are seeing the 305 bones. Nearly 100 bones extra. How is it possible? See, Dear children, I am giving one example. See here, in our hand, here to here, we are seeing only one bone. But in newborn baby, we are seeing the two or three joints. Two or three joints. Here, in leg, in uh, in in internal organs, in our body also, they have many joints in a newborn baby. When they grow up day by day, all those joints will become one bone. So, in newborn baby, we are seeing 305 bones. In adult, we are seeing 206 bones. See here, what is the function of skeletal system? Here, the skeletal system is protects our internal organs. Internal organs which are located in our body. It protected by all those protected by our skeletal system. See, example, heart. Here, where is it located? Heart is located in the rib cage, left side of the rib cage. And lungs. And lungs are also protected by the rib cage. Here, rib cage is made up of only bones. All of you touch your chest. All of you touch your chest. You are feeling very hot. What you are feeling very hot, that is the rib cage. Okay. Next, kidneys. Kidneys are also protected by which one? Our skeletal system. Okay. Next, in our body, which is the longest bone? Which is the smallest bone? Here, in our body, longest bone is femur bone or thigh bone. Femur bone is the longest bone. Okay, that is located in thigh. So in the Kannada we call tode mode. Okay, that is the longest bone. Femur bone or thigh bone is the longest bone in our body. Next, which is the smallest bone in our body? Smallest bone in our body, stapes. Stapes bone, that is located in middle ear. Where is it located? In middle ear. The size of the stapes bone is 3 millimeter. What is the measurement of stapes bone? 3 millimeter. Okay. Dear children, this is about the skeletal system. And one more point, in our head. Our head is also made up of bones. Our head is made up of 22 bones. How many bones? Head is made up of 22 bones. Okay. So this is about the skeletal system. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the muscular system. Here, the muscular system is made up of bundle of fibers. Okay. Here, in our body, there are 600 muscles. How many muscles? 600 muscles in our body. See, all these 600 muscles made up of muscular system. See, dear children, in our body there is no muscles. We can't get specific shape. Here, skeletal system also helps us to our shape and size. Here, skeletal system and as well as muscles are also very important to give shape to our body. Imagine when there is no muscles in our body, how do you feel? As we are seeing only our skeletal system, only bones. Okay, we are seeing only bones of our body. So here muscle is also very important. See here, what is the function of muscle? Here muscle is helps us to movement. See here muscle is present in our body each and every part, in a finger, in feet, in leg, in arm, in heart. The muscle is located in all parts of the body. So we are walking very easily. Here, so we are holding the things very easily. Okay. Here muscle is also attached to our bones. That is very important. When the muscle is attached to our bones, so we are getting shape and size. See, imagine here our hand. In our hand we are seeing the bones. Imagine in our hand there is no muscle, only a skeleton or bones. How do you feel? See, okay. See here, muscle is also very important. Each and every part of the body. See here, the muscle is present in the heart. Heart is mainly made up of muscle. Uterus. Okay, you are going to urine, so that is made up of only muscles. Kidney, liver. There are many parts in our body. All those made up of which one? Muscle. In muscle there are three types: cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, and smooth muscle. You are going to learn detailed about these muscles in higher class. Okay, dear children, muscle is very important in our body. See, observe, muscles are present in overall the body. Okay, dear children, now we are going to learn about the respiratory system. Here, nose, windpipe, and lungs make up our respiratory system. See here, in the respiratory system there are two processes, that is first one is inhalation and second one is exhalation. See, dear children, already you know that what is the meaning of breathing. Here, the taking air in our body, that is we called inhalation, and we are leaving out air from our body, that is we called exhalation. Now we are going to learn in detail. See here, inhalation, the process of taking in or breathing air into the body. That is we called inhalation. See, already you know that we are taking the air into our body. Now tell me which gas we are taking in our body? Yes, oxygen. Here O2 means oxygen. Here we are taking oxygen into our body. That is we called inhalation. See, all of you, dear children, all of you observe in the picture. In the time of inhalation, here below the lungs, a layer is present that is we called diaphragm. What is that? Diaphragm. In Kannada we called vape. Okay. See, in the time of inhalation, diaphragm contract and move downwards. What is the word? It contracts and move downwards. See, here it helps give the space to take air into our body. See, all of you do this. Take air in our body. What happens? See, on that time your stomach automatically will become big in size because on that time diaphragm contract and move downwards. See, when you are taking the oxygen into in your body and that enters into your lungs. Later, see here later oxygen enters in our blood vessels. These blood vessels are sending the oxygen to overall the body, to our brain, to our eyes, to our heart, to our kidney. Okay, here the blood vessels are carry the oxygen to all parts of the body. Okay, see here oxygen contained blood is called pure blood. So this is the process of inhalation. Next, exhalation. Here exhalation, the process of giving out or breathing out air is called exhalation. In exhalation, we are leaving a gas. Now tell me what is the name of the gas? As carbon dioxide. CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. We are leaving carbon dioxide from our body, that is we called exhalation. See how carbon dioxide enters into our lungs. See here is also blood vessels bring the carbon dioxide from heart. Already heart is collected impure blood. That means carbon dioxide containing blood, it enters into our lungs. Later it comes from our lungs, windpipe and from our nose. See, all of you observe when you are breathe out carbon dioxide, that is very hot. Okay, see, in the time of exhalation, dear children, all of you observe in the picture. Here, in the time of exhalation, diaphragm relax and move upward. Move upward. See, all of you observe, when you are leaving air from your lungs, it will become flat. Okay, not increase in the size of lungs. So that is we called exhalation. Dear children, in this class you have learnt about what is system or organ system, and you learnt about skeletal system, how many bones in a adult body, how many bones in newborn baby, and what is the function of skeletal system, and you have learned about muscular system, so respiratory system, that is inhalation and exhalation. Thank you my dear children watching this video.